The two identical flight warning computers, FWC, receive data from the aircraft system sensors to generate red warnings, the SDACs to generate most amber cautions.
The FWCs then supply the DMCs for the display of alert messages, the attention getters, the loudspeakers for aural alerts and synthetic voice messages.
Speed, speed, speed.
To begin, we will look at what happens if one or both flight warning computers fail. For a single FWC fault, a caution message will be displayed on the engine warning display. Notice that there are no blue action lines, so no crew action is required. No system page is called because there is no system page for EIS. Clear FWS. On the status page, you will notice that the aircraft's auto-flight capability is downgraded to Category 3 Single. The inoperative systems are Category 3 Dual and FWC 1. After a review of the status page by both pilots, the ECAM procedure can be completed. Clear status. The cruise page is displayed on the lower ECAM screen, and the ECAM control panel has no lights on it. A boxed status reminder appears on the engine warning display to remind you that there is a message on the status page. This completes the procedure for an FWC-1 fault. As a result of the failure, if any other warning or caution is generated that would light an indicator, you will notice that only half of the lights are illuminated. In this example, with an FWC-1 fault, only the lower part of the captain's indicators and the upper part of the first officer's indicators are illuminated. Note, if FWC-2 had failed, the lights would be reversed. The loss of both FWCs will remove the automatic monitoring of the aircraft systems. A message and information generated by a DMC is displayed at the bottom of the engine warning display. There will be no further ECAM cautions or warnings, aural warnings, master caution or master warning lights. The not available items are ECAM warnings, altitude alerts, the status page, automatic callouts, memos. The action lines advise the pilots to monitor the ECAM system pages and the overhead panel for local warnings. Notice that there is a not available list on the right-hand side. The overhead panel should be checked for any local warnings. The system pages can be checked for abnormal indications either by individual selection of the pages or by using the All key to sequence through the pages. We will hold down the All key for you to show you what happens. Note, if the All key is released partway through the sequence, the cruise page is displayed. To finish this module, we will briefly look at the use of the emergency cancel key. It is normally used to cancel an intermittent nuisance message. It may be used, if necessary, to cancel most oral warnings. Let's look at an example of an intermittent nuisance message. When an intermittent caution occurs, the normal aural and visual alerts will be triggered. The emergency cancel key can be used to tell ECAM to suppress the caution. As a result of pressing the emergency cancel key, a white message appears on the engine warning display advising you that the caution has been canceled. After a short delay, the canceled caution message automatically disappears and is transferred to the status page. A status reminder appears on the engine warning display, informing you that there is something on the status page. Call the status page. A status page with a white canceled caution message is displayed. After review, it can be cleared. Clear the status page. The cruise page returns on the lower ECAM display, and a status reminder is displayed on the engine warning display. For the rest of the flight, you will not be alerted each time the ECAM system detects a fault with ILS-1. Now let's see how you can recall the canceled caution. Press the recall key. If you press and hold the recall key for more than 3 seconds, the suppression function is removed. The original caution will reappear if the fault is detected again. You will have the opportunity to practice the use of the emergency cancel key in the various failures during the simulator phase, so we will stop here.